Okay, and now in the next we'll power on and show our one key start. Our one key start is not just convenience, it is standardized operation. Just remember, before you twist the key, please remove the laser lens cover. Check if lens is clean. Now we will showcase that visual interactive system. Here is our disconnection emergency stop button. When I press it, the machine will shut down. And when I twist it, the machine will restart. Now you can see it's in self-testing. You can see the RGB lights is multi-color recycling, and you can hear the beeps. And now it's turned red because the laser part is preheat. And when you overheat, the machine will go back to the normal mode. And the RGB lights and the tower lights, like this, it's turned to the green. Now in the next, our engineer will change the three kinds of mode to see what's different. The first now is the emergency mode. In this mode, you can use the machine, and the RGB lights and the tower light will turn to red. As you can see, in this mode, you have to check what's wrong with the machine, and fix it. After that, it will become the normal mode, and you can go into use the machine. Next, our engineer will change another mode to see. Now it's turned. You can see that RGB lights and the tower lights turn to the yellow flashing. In this mode, you can still use the machine, but you still need to check what's wrong with the machine and find it and to solve it. And in the end, it will be the red. This mode we call the normal mode. The RGB lights and the tower lights will green flashing. In this mode, the machine is all good, and you can use it. And you can see that in this mode, the RGB lights and the tower lights will constantly green flashing. You can check the working condition of your machinery by the light strip. Even you are zero experience about laser marking, you can check your machine too. Now we are going to do a consistency test. You can carefully compare the clarity, depth, and every detail of the mark, and then you can find that they are all the same. We will mark on the same product in many different positions, use the same setting and no returning. You can compare position 1 to another. You can find that it's perfect. What we want to show you is our commitment to long-term stability. Now, here we are going to start to the marking. The first one is the first one. The second, you can remember what they look like, and you can compare the different of them. We will mark much enough, and you can easily to compare them. And you can find that if there are anything different to the every mark. The eighth, here is the eighth. Just compare the clarity, depth, and every details of it. Okay. Here is the first 10 of our marks. You can look the result. Here is the position 1, and here is the position 10. All of them are same, no matter the clarity, depth, or another thing. Okay, it seems like the second 10th is okay. 我打完了。第二个呢？ okay. Here is the second 10 marks of this testing. You can see that it's still the same. You can compare by yourself. Okay. The second tense is over. You can compare that from 1 to 10. You can compare them. And the third 10 marks will be finished closely. Let's wait for some seconds. We need to mark it to the next one. Okay. Here is the last 10 of our marks. You can compare the details, clarity, depth of them. Or you can directly compare these 10 to the last 10 marks, and you can find they are the same. And if you want the same effect, you just need to send us material, content, marking size, and speed. Finally, safety and EU readings. We use a key lock for access control. That's today's real demo. Modular maintenance, one-button operation, visualization, consistency, and safety. We'll show more at Interpack in May. Before we ending this live, there are some FAQs. Question 1. How can I get a solution quickly? Just message us with 4 details: material, content, marking size, marking position. Indeed, these 4 details will reply you with a recommended setup. Question 2. Why is this information so important? Material helps determine the type of machine. Content and marking size for the machine power. Marking size for the size of felt length. Once we got these 4 information, when these 4 information are conferred, we can recommend the most suitable machine for you. And question 3. Can you do high-speed marking or marking on moving products? Yes. Share your target speed and marking content, and we'll advise the right configuration and settings. Question 4. How do I know the machine status quickly? The system provides visual status via light strip and screen. Green means normal. Yellow means check required. Red means failed or alarm. Always follow on-screen messages. Question 5. What is the light shutter used for? Safety control. In preview mode, it stays closed to prevent laser output. It opens only when marking. After safety confirmation. Question 6. Can the machine connect to factory equipment management or interlock system? Yes, we support integration-ready connections, and the interlock or remote stop can be implemented based on your plant requirements. Question 7. What does EU-ready documentation mean? A document pack that supports purchasing approval, audio records, and project communication, especially useful for EU-related projects. Okay, that's all for this live stream. Thank you for watching. If you need to know more details, please connect us, or you can come to the exhibition at May in Germany, Interpack, and we will bring the 3 machines to there. Thank you.